This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the Vision's CCTV model, power method, and current firmware so you avoid incompatibilities. Once done, power the camera and connect it via Ethernet to your router or PoE switch to obtain an IP. Make sure you download the official app and register an account now, because the app streamlines discovery. Also note the camera's default username and password. You will change them later, but you need them to sign in the first time. You now configure network settings so the mobile feed stays reliable. First, assign a static IP or reserve it in your router's DHCP to prevent address drift. This helps when forwarding ports. Next, in the camera web UI or app, either join your 4 GHz Wi-Fi or keep the Ethernet cable. Then choose access method. Set up port forwarding on the router for direct RTSP/HTTP access, or enable the vendor's P2P/cloud option. First, you finish by pairing the camera with your phone and verifying functionality. Open the app and add the camera via QR code, manual IP/RTSP entry, or Cloud ID depending on your setup. Follow prompts to name and save the device. Test live view, record a short clip, and enable motion notifications and schedules so you get alerts. If the feed fails, reboot camera, router, and phone, check port forwarding, firewall rules, and try a local LAN connection to isolate network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.